Michelle, and this week's tip is another Microsoft Excel tip. Tip number 5, how to switch between sheets in Excel. So you may wish to switch between sheets quite often in Excel, particularly when you are looking at different data and you need to access different worksheets in your workbook. So I'm going to demonstrate 4 different methods today. Method number 1 is to click on the Sheet tab. Method number 2 is a keyboard shortcut, Control page down or up. Method number 3 is the Go To option. Method number 4 is Activate Sheet option, right click. So let's get into it. I'm going to go to my file here. So you'll see I have a lot of different sheets here. I have a hyperlinks sheet, Save Excel as PDF. I have a flash fill, Save Chart as an image, and switch between sheets. So that's actually the first method, which is to simply click on the Sheet tab. Method number 2 is the keyboard shortcut. So that is going to be Control and page up or page down. So Control page up is going to move you, you'll see that's moving to the left. Control page down moves you to the right. That's method number 2. Method number 3 is a little bit different. We're going to use the F5 key, which is a go-to shortcut. You can also access it going to Home and the Find and Select. So for this one, you have to do it a little bit differently. So for example, if I wanted to go to the hyperlinks page, I would type in the page and I have to use this exclamation point symbol. And then if I type in the cell A2 and press OK, it's going to take me right to this cell, which there it is. So I have to type in that exclamation point, which is called the bang, B-A-N-G symbol, in order to get to that page using that method. And then method number 4 is the Activate Sheet option, right click. So you're going to go all the way over to the left here. And when you right click, it's going to show you all your different sheets. So then you're able to quickly navigate to those sheets and press OK to get to the sheet that you are interested in. So that concludes today's tutorial on how to switch between sheets in Excel. I hope you enjoyed.